I'm walking Chutney in the forest, and we're going back to the boat because we just moved on to the boat after hours of days, maybe weeks of packing up our house, getting it ready for the renters. So now we're going to be going back to the boat. It's our second night on the boat. I just came to give Chutney a pee, and we did some good male bonding. We walked all the way to the beach, and we threw the stick. Hi. Hi. Sit. Sit. He's talkative. Stay. Come. I've been sent on a bread run. There's this place at Canoe Cove, where we have our mooring, just at the marina. It's called the Fox and Monocle, and I think one of the owner, I think, has a Michelin star or something, or maybe Michelin, or was Michelin recommended or something. And they've opened this place at Canoe Cove. We actually went there last night for dinner. Very good, very pricey as well. But their breakfast and coffee and stuff is more affordable. And I've been sent to get some of their sourdough with Chutney. Chutney is an integral part of this mission. He's the moral support needed. Chutney, sit. No, Chutney. Chutney's hurrying me along. I think he needs to pee. I got the goods. It was hit or miss for a second there, because there was 3 left and like 4 people in front of me, or 5 even, and people kept taking them, but we got one. Just bringing Chutney to pee, and then we're gonna go back to the boat. Chutney barked, and then the Curtis Point Dog Society went off, and they started all barking at each other. It happens. It's starting to rain. Let's get back to the boat. Casting off on our journey. We're off! Background character. I dropped a fender overboard, and so now I'm kayaking to get it. Yeah, after a small hiccup. We don't need to talk about that, I think.
Although I'm going to put video of it.
Just checking if we have any existing warrants out on our names, because the police is at the fuel dock we're going into, so we got to be careful.
So we're all fueled up, and now we're just filling up with water. And just about ready to go.
Rainbows. It's because it's Pride Month. That's the reason. We were struggling to get the the iPad connected to the system, but we got it working. So now we have the iPad out here, and that's mirroring the GPS we have inside. Captain Chutney at the helm. So we turned on the motor and we are heading to Poets Cove, which is a little marina. And we're not heading to the marina, we're heading out into the anchorage, and we're going to stop in our family circles. It's called the Cottage because it's the place that they go most often on the boat, especially when it's bad conditions or winter or whatever. I've got my tea, well, coffee.
Okay.
Cheers.
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 Oh, nice.
Oh,
What is it,
delicious,
Cam?
Cam.
Tell us about your meal.
So it's lentil and potato and yam stew. And I haven't tasted it yet, so we actually don't know if it's good.
Delicious.
We're gonna be watching our sailing videos. Mom, how was the day?
It was wonderful. It was busy. We got rid of the cars. It was a very nice feeling, finally cutting loose from land, and just not having the complication of what's in what car and where and what whose car is going to be parked where.
And the sailing that I was an ambassador of. How did you approve?
Yes, and actually we picked up on a few little issues.
Yeah.
Which if we hadn't done it, we would not have known about.
Yeah.
Certainly right now.
Yeah.
And it was fairly light winds, which was good.
Yeah, we floated for a while.
And then Fiain had a little adventure outside.
Yeah, perfect. Got the food.
Yeah.
A good first day on the seas.
Yeah, that's right. A little.
Got ice cream. We've got the chocolate going. Dad's making the tea. It's become our little routine now.
I know, because you never used to be a tea drinker. But I see that is all changing.
Well, it is what it is.
Yeah.
We need something to sip on. So that is the first day of our trip in the books. We have left our mooring buoy, our comfort, and we have gone just a couple islands over. It wasn't a long trip, but we got here and now we're disconnected from home. We have started, so see you next time. This is a sail blog now for a while. So, hope you like sailing.